Our story today is Storm Coming. My name is Nancy and today I will tell you about the storm that is coming. I wake up in the morning and notice the sky is dark and cloudy. The air feels heavy and there is a strange calm outside. I turn on the news and the weather report says a big storm is approaching. I start to feel nervous because storms in our area can be dangerous. The wind starts to pick up as the morning goes on. I can see the trees swaying and the leaves everywhere. My neighbors are outside securing their homes and bringing in outdoor furniture. I decide to check our windows and make sure everything is locked. I also bring in our plants from the garden to protect them from the storm. By noon, the window is howling and the sky has turned almost black. There are loud crashes of thunder and I can see flashes of lightning. The storm is getting closer and it feels more intense. I can hear the rain starting to fall, hitting the roof like teeny stones. I gathered some supplies like water, flashlights and batteries in case the power goes out. As the storm reaches its peak, the power suddenly goes out. Everything in the house is dark and quiet except for the sound of the wind. I light some candles and sit with my family in the living room. We try to stay calm by playing card games and talking. It feels comforting to be together during such a scary time. The storm rages for a few hours but slowly it starts to weaken. The wind dies down and the rain becomes lighter. We hear on the radio that the worst part of the storm has passed. We all feel relieved, but we know there might still be some damage outside. We decide to wait until the morning to check around the house. When the sun rises, we step outside to see the aftermath. There are branches and debris everywhere, but thankfully our house is fine. Some of our neighbors' fences are damaged, but everyone is safe. We start cleaning up the yard and helping others who need assistance. I feel grateful that the storm is over and that we all stay safe. Let's learn some new interesting words for improve your English. Number 1, approaching, coming closer in time or distance. Number 2, securing, making something safe or stable, especially during dangerous situations. Number 3, howling, making a loud, long noise usually used to describe strong winds. Number 4, debris, scattered pieces of waste or remains often from a disaster. Number 5, aftermath, the consequences or results of an event, especially after a disaster. Thank you for watching my video and like and subscribe my channel.